To support your employee's permanent residency under any OINP job offer streams, you must first submit a job offer for approval through this portal. Just a quick heads up, this tutorial is for employers, explaining the first required step before an employee can submit their expression of interest for any OINP job offer stream. Employees shouldn't create an employer portal or submit a job offer themselves. Only the employer or someone legally authorized, like an HR staff or a supervisor, should do that. To start, Google Ontario ePortal and click the correct result. If the validation checkbox doesn't respond, you can still continue. Create a My Ontario account to access the portal. Check your email for a validation code and enter it to verify your account. The first time you log in, you might not see this page. Just read what's shown and click Continue. You might also not see this page the first time. On future logins, just confirm your contact details when asked. First, register the portal as a new employer. On the next page, confirm you are an authorized person to create the portal. Before continuing, make sure to check the employer's eligibility criteria. Enter your business information such as CRA number and contact details as prompted. Provide additional information about the authorized individual. Declare the authorization electronically as instructed. On the main page, you can add more business information, update contacts, and submit or review job offer applications for your employees. You should complete the employer profile before submitting any job offer application. On the first two tabs, you can review the main details you entered during registration. On the third tab, enter information about your business's revenue and legal structure. If you need help, click the Help button next to each section for more clarification. The form includes a self-check feature that lets you know if the employer is missing any prerequisite for the OINP job offer streams. Add more details about your business compliance as requested. Use the industry classification system to choose your correct economic sector. When entering the number of full-time employees, do not include temporary foreign workers or part-time staff. For reference, temporary workers usually have a social insurance number starting with 9. After completing all sections, submit the form. You can also add or update contacts if needed as prompted. Once your profile is complete and you made sure you've met all the employer requirements for the OINP job offer stream of interest, you can create and submit job offer applications for your employees. To learn how, check the job offer application tutorial in the top right corner.